What's going on, all ya lovely people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mike O'Hora, and this is a lovely penguin. Welcome back. Welcome to the wild, my friends. Welcome, guys. Welcome back. And today we got a little bit of a different video for you. I mean, still a reaction, of course, you know. But this time, we're going to be reacting to XJapan. And it's mainly because they had a awesome collaboration performance of one of their old hits, Endless Rain. And it was, yeah, like I said, it was a collaboration of a bunch of the of guys from the different guy groups. And I thought it'd be a cool thing to check out. They performed it at Mama 2023, so not too long ago. So before we check out the collaboration performance, I thought it would be cool to check out the original and see what XJapan has got. Considering that the majority of them have passed away at this point. I mean, they've been passing away for years now, but the last member, the pianist, the composer, Yoshiki, he actually performed live with all these guys as well. So he'll be in both performances. So before we get to that, guys, make sure that you sub to the channel so we can keep on growing. And with that being said, let's start out with XJapan's original music video for Endless Rain. And then we will go to that live performance together. So let's hit it. Let's go. Well, it doesn't actually have any subtitles, so we're just going to rock to the song and just feel it out, you know? Let's go. Guys are the godfathers of J-Rock, is what I've been told. Godfathers. And they got that like hair metal look almost. Oh, and this is a power ballad, by the way, from what I've been told. So not exactly metal, but power ballad. Already sounds good. Ooh, there we go. These are clips from their shows, I'd assume. Dude, I love all their get-ups. sick little guitar solo. Dude, this is just like classic power ballad. I love it. All of the hate. The roses, yes. Wow. A lot of roses. All right. Well, before we get to the 2023 performance we got here, dude, honestly, that just like hit every single point of a power ballad. You know, I'll say this: like when I was a lot younger, I was really into like classic rock, and then I eventually got into a little bit more metal and even the hair metal and like just harder rock in general, and just like. You know, it's not something I can really claim as being part of the fandom that well, but it's like I do know the music. And like, yeah, like I said, they hit like every little notch on that, you know? It's just like, you obviously have a very intense feelings come across. It's a sad song, you know? Like, I mean, obviously there's a good amount in Japanese there, but like you could, like, there's English in there as well. And it's like, these guys are hurting. Whoever wrote the song, they're hurting. You know, whatever's going on in life, it's a tough thing, and it probably would be a bit of depression in that rain that's endless. You know, it bogs you down. It makes you feel heavy. You know, and it's like, let me forget my hate. Let me forget the pain. You know, and I think that's great. I think that's an awesome song. It sounded really good, and honestly, too, even the video is great. It's like a nice little highlight reel of the guys, and then a lot of very dramatic shots too. It's just they nailed it. So it'll be cool to see them honoring XJapan here at the MMAs, or excuse me, Mama, and yeah, I don't know. I don't really know what to expect. So let's just let's watch it and see what happens. Nope. Also, I always love these wide shots of like the concerts. So it's like, look how many people there are. That's crazy. Crazy. Yoshiki's still got it. And they even got the freaking glass, or I don't know if it's glass, but the clear piano. Like in the video. I don't know why that just gave me goosebumps. Wow. Wow, they're doing a great job already. Nice. Yes. I'm gonna pause it real quick here. You know, honestly, there was one thing that I was absolutely gonna criticize about these guys covering the song was that I had a feeling that the vocals were gonna be almost like too clean, right? You know, because like a good part of that power ballad is like that feeling of like grittiness in the voice, the sadness coming out. And to be honest with you too, like the thing that I smiled and went nice was Taeyeon. You could hear his voice starting to kind of not necessarily break, but it had a little bit of that like crumble in it or something. I don't know, but I was like really hoping that was gonna come through because I was like again worried it was just gonna be way too clean all the way through. And I'm like, I need that like raw emotion, that like the grittiness in there, you know. Nice. Oh, this is one of the dudes from the bands. Rocking the cello, let's go! Also, sorry, another real quick one, and this is completely pulling us out here. He looks like he could be related to what's her name? Cherry Young from ITZY. Am I right about that? Because I know she has a sister, and they also look a lot alike, but they have that like similar nose. I'm like, do they have a brother? Well, I've never reacted to Rise, so I this is the first time I've ever seen him. So sorry. See? Yes, that grit. I love it. Onion. Oh, wow. Dude, I'm getting goosebumps again. Oh, man. Wow. Oh, this is so beautiful. Wow.
Endless rain fall around.
Oh my gosh, that was so beautiful. Wow. Dude, I'm not even kidding. Like, I had goosebumps, like, majority of that performance. That was crazy. That was great. Ah, man. Honestly, too, like, there's something about, like, honoring or paying your respects to, like, those who came before you that I don't know. It just warms my heart, I guess. I don't know, but that was just like so well done, and like at the same time too, like I wonder what Yoshiki's thinking while this is happening and how emotional that must have been to be able to perform this song of theirs again, even though his band's gone. Oh, and he's the last one. But they did such a good job. It's such a good song, and both performances were freaking incredible. Like, honestly, I'm genuinely stunned. Genuinely stunned. Holy crap, dude. Like, when the crowd started singing, oh my gosh, dude, I almost started getting like teary-eyed. Oh man. Just thinking about it now, it's giving me goosebumps again. It's like, oh, just feels like so much love over such a sad song all collectively together, and I just love that. So I'm gonna wrap up here. I don't know what else to say. Guys, what did you think? What did you guys see this live? Did you guys watch? Are you guys even know who XJapan is? I mean, in fairness, I actually hadn't really heard of them prior to this. Like, I think they've been recommended to me in the past, but I haven't gotten to them yet. But yeah, I don't know. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Yeah, that's it. All right. Well, with that all being said, guys, make sure you sub to the channel so we can keep on growing. Other than that, I love you all. Stay aggressively positive. Catch ya. All right. Love you. Bye. Mwah!